Let's talk about something that might not be on your mind until it becomes a problem: clogged drains. Hey there, Hunter here with Western Heating, Air and Plumbing. Clogged drains might seem like a minor annoyance, but they can lead to serious risk for your home and your health. First, let's discuss what can happen when clogs go untreated. When a drain backs up, it's not just about the water going down slowly. Over time, it can lead to buildup of bacteria, mold, and even harmful gases. This doesn't just smell bad. It can trigger allergies and respiratory issues for your family. So, if you're noticing consistent slow draining or weird smells, it's time to pay attention. Beyond health risks, clogs can cause structural damage to your home. When water can't flow properly, it starts to build pressure inside your pipes, which can lead to leaks or even burst pipes. A small clog can become a big, expensive issue if ignored. Imagine dealing with water damage in your walls, floors, or even your foundation. It's just not worth the risk. So, what can you do to keep these things at bay? One simple tip is to be mindful of what you put down your drains. Avoid pouring cooking oils or grease down the kitchen sink, and dispose of food scraps properly. Never put eggshells, coffee grounds, pasta and rice, potato peels, fruit pits, or nuts down the kitchen drain. In the bathroom, use drain screens to catch hair and soap scum. These tiny steps can go a long way in keeping your drains flowing freely. Another big help is scheduling regular drain maintenance. A professional cleaning helps keep buildup under control and reduces the risk of clogs. Even if you're not experiencing issues, getting your drains checked once or twice a year can help spot problems before they get worse. Remember, if you get a clog, avoid harsh chemical cleaners. They can damage your pipes over time. A natural or enzyme-based cleaner is usually more gentle. Better yet, call a professional. We have the tools to clear out tough clogs without risking your pipes. Keeping your drains clear protects your health, your home, and your wallet. So, if you notice any signs of a clog, don't wait. Give us a call or visit us at westernheatingair.com to schedule an appointment. We're here to help keep your home's plumbing running smoothly and worry-free.